So real quick, I'm just going to go into a few ways that you can enter into a trade here on TradingView. First, you can go down to the left side of the screen. It's a bar here at the bottom, and there's a button that says trade. You click that button that says trade, then a window will open up on the right side of the screen. And here you can put in a market order, a limit order, or a stop order. That's one way for you to put your order in. You can also toggle between sell and buy. All right, so that's the first way. The second way is if your cursor is on your screen, on your chart screen, you can just right click your mouse, then another window will pop up. On this window, you can scroll down where it says add order where it says add order. All right, it doesn't matter what your symbol is, it'll state what your symbol is. Mine is NASDAQ. All right, so then I click that where it said add order, and then that same window, that same order window pops up on the right side of the chart. And like I said, you can toggle between if you want to purchase, if you want to sell or you want to buy. Close that out. The next way is if you look at the right side of your chart, you will see when I move my cursor, I have the crosshairs. So when I move the cursor on the right side, you will see a black rectangle, and on that rectangle is a circle around a plus sign. Left click that, and also that window will open up that gives you the option to add an order. And click that again. The order box window, the order window on the right side of your chart will open up, and then you can place your order from there.